Welcome to PATS College of Aeronautics, a premier aeronautical school in the Philippines since 1969. We are recognized for producing world-class aviation professionals with a strong commitment to quality education, values formation, and global competitiveness. Our mission is to provide quality aviation education and to assist our graduates in the labor market, and our vision is to become the center of excellence in education. At PATS, we live by our core values: P for patriotism, A for adaptness, T for trust, T for thoroughness, and S for service-orientedness. At PATS, we truly embody excellence in aviation and beyond.
PATS offers a wide range of academic programs designed to prepare students for the demands of the aviation industry. These include aeronautical engineering and industrial engineering, as well as technology programs such as aircraft maintenance technology, air transportation, and avionics technology. For those interested in management, we offer airline business administration and tourism management alongside our 2-year aircraft technician course and senior high school STEM program. Our commitment to quality education is matched by our outstanding facilities and campus life. Students train with modern laboratories, aircraft simulators, mock-ups, and facilities with a spacious and student-centered campus, enriched by vibrant organizations and extracurricular activities. With international partnerships, alumni excelling in leading airlines worldwide, and recognition from professional aviation bodies, PATS continues to be a trusted name in shaping the future of aviation.
Student success and achievements. Students have consistent performance in licensure examinations. Our alumni excels in aviation engineering, piloting, maintenance, and tourism. And lastly, we are recognized in local and international competitions. Why choose PATS? PATS have 50 years trusted aviation education. Curriculum have comprehensive blending theory and practical training. Faculties are highly qualified with industry experience. Strong alumni network worldwide. Values-based education producing professionals with characters.
At PATS, we believe that true excellence is more than just quality education. It is about living our core values: patriotism, adaptness, trust, thoroughness, and serviceability every single day. These values are not only upheld by our students but also by the dedicated men and women who keep our school safe, clean, and strong. Together, we form a community built on service, pride, and integrity.
Si SD Scott. So yung question ko po is, sa pagiging isang security guard ko, kung po yung may pagmamalaking po bilang security guard ng PATS College of Aeronautics. Then, ano po yung pakiramdam na makatulong or makapag-contribute po bilang security guard po dito sa PATS?
Unang-una, yung pagiging security guard ko dito ay nakakatulong ng malaki sa aming kabuhayan. Na pag-aaralin ng mga anak ko, nabibigyan ko sila ng tamang sustainability. Hindi sila ng pag-aaral. About naman sa pakiramdam na makatulong sa inyo bilang sa safety, napakasarap. Kasi kami po ay isang magulang. Kung ano yung pag-aaral namin sa inyo, ganun din po ang pag-aaral namin sa amin. Kahit dahil ito po ang second sa amin.
So, magandang umaga, sir. Ano po pala ang pangalan niyo?
Ronald Gayandato.
Okay, sir. So, ang tanong ko lang po, sa trabaho niyo po, may mga problema tayong hindi inaasahan na dumadating. So, pwede po ba kayo mag-share ng karanasan kung saan ay nakapag-resolve ba kayo ng isang problema gamit lamang yung sarili niyong kakayanan at na-optionan niyo ito?
Sa experience ko sa pagmamaneo, sa ibang biyahe, kagaya ng nawalan ako ng preno, yung nagkaroon ng leak yung tubo ng preno. So, hindi ko na-resolve yun, pero ang ginawa ko noon, inuwi ko pa rin yung sasakyan na kahit walang preno, sa pamamagitan ng handbrake, pagka medyo
may mga malapit na mga sasakyan, may minaraton, dahan-dahanan lang. Pagka medyo naman, open naman, yung wala kang kasabay, pwede ka naman magpabilis ng konti. Tapos pagka medyo paanto ka lang, alalayan mo ng handbrake, tapos mag-ano ka, mag-change ka, yung change gear ka para tinatawag nila na engine brake ang tawag. Yun. Tapos sa mga saklats naman, yung saklats yung hindi clutch yung sasakyan mo. Yun, kailangan mo talagang gawa ng paraan yun. So ang ginawa ko, meron naman akong pahinante kapag nabiyaya. Ginawa ko ng sarili ko yung pinalitan ko yung sa post rod ng clutch, tapos yung ginawa ko siyang yung napalitan ko na ng wheel cap ng ng sa post rod sa clutch, medyo okay na.
Parang ano po pala ulit yung pangalan niyo?
Ako si Isabel Martillo.
So yung question ko po is, sa pagiging security guard po dito sa PATS, so paano nyo po yung nabibuild yung trust ng estudyante, teachers, pati yung ibang staff or na trabaho nyo?
Base naman sa experience ko dito, 2 years na ako dito by December. At so far sa mga araw na yon, wala namang problema na encounter ko kasi yung mga estudyante, parang anak ko na yan eh. Pinakausap ko lang naman sila pag sumisigaw o sa hulubian ginagawa nila. Tapos yung sa mga instructor or teacher, yun, kailangan makilala mo sila lahat kasi doon sa entrance, doon yung may podium doon, sinusulat namin yung in and out nila. Kung sakali malfunction yung biometric natin, alam pa rin nila kasi tinatanong kami ng cashier kung yung in and out nila. So, para sa akin, kailangan kilala mo talaga sila kasi yun ang importante din. Saka kinakausap ko rin sila.
Magandang araw, kabayan. So, may tatanong lang ako. Ano pong real name niyo?
Kabayan kasi yung tawag sa akin na in 37 years na kasi ako to, puro kabayan. Pero hindi nila alam kung ano talagang tunay kong pangalan. Kaya naitanong, Ronald Abando. Ronald Abando yung tunay na pangalan sa bata.
Okay, kabayan. So, kabayan, bilang isang vendor, anong mga hakbang po yung ginagawa mo para masiguro mo po na palagi kayong handa at masarap yung inyong produkto sa araw-araw? At saka po, paano nyo rin po masisiguro na malinis, masarap at marami yung mga na-implementa nyo guys?
Okay, buti na itatanong mo yan. Dapat nga. Sa paghahanda kasi, yung ice cream kasi, bali 50 years na kasi yung kabayan na ice cream dito. Yung papa ko pa, since 1969, 1988. Si kabayan naman, 1988 hanggang ngayon, 2025, 36 years na tayo dito. So, mula naman noon, wala naman nakapagsabi na mayroong karoon ng karamdaman sa ating paninda. Kasi sinisiguro natin na ang ating paninda ay ang mga ginagamit natin sa papan, dapat talaga sobrang linis. Bago natin yung ating paninda, kailangan talaga clear. At syempre, kailangan natin pasarapin yung ating paninda para mas marami tayong magkaroon ng customer. At syempre, kailangan natin maging magiliw sa ating mga kabayan dito sa PATS para makilala naman si kabayan ng lubusan. So, yun lang at maraming salamat. Kailangan talaga focus lang sa trabaho natin para magkaroon tayo ng more binta na yung kabayan.
At PATS, we celebrate not only the pursuit of knowledge but also the people and values that give true meaning to our community. By embracing patriotism, adeptness, trust, thoroughness, and serviceability, our students, teachers, and staff continue to learn, serve, and inspire together. At PATS, education builds our future, but it is our values that guide our way of life.
Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Sige sir, thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, kabayan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you na itanong yan. Thank you, kabayan. Okay, kabayan.
Join us at PATS. Find us and here's our contact info. Fly with your dreams, land with your future.